How y'all doing out there? God bless America. God bless everybody. Just want to get on here and give you a quick update about my case. Tomorrow I got court, uh, September 12th. It's supposed to be at 10:30 a.m. The conference. Um, it's a conference meeting that we're supposed to have. It was brought to my attention that they changed the time. They need to reschedule it from 10:30 a.m. to 2 o'clock p.m. Um, which I think that's great. Now that she contacted me by phone, the judge's secretary, um, we was able to exchange email addresses now that she sent me an email to confirm that they did change uh, the scheduling date for or the scheduling time for tomorrow from 10:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. So that's great. Also, she had sent me an email in regards to my case. Um, the plaintiffs or the defendants had sent me a motion to dismiss uh, their case for lack of standing and lack of jurisdiction. But they never sent it to me, so I was never able to answer the court in a timely manner. So the judge had sent me a motion to dismiss the whole my whole lawsuit because I failed to do that, but because of the fact that she gave me opportunity to send her a motion or to answer the motion of her motion, I answered her motion and his motion at the same time. So now she sent me a motion saying that they have uh, uh, they have she had she sent me a motion ordering withdrawing report and recommendations doc number 24. So that's, you can look that up on the line, and requiring defendants HILE and SEENEY provide proof of service for their motion to dismiss, doc number 14. So because they failed to send it to me, their attorneys, uh, and failed to give me an opportunity to answer that motion, and made me look like I guess a dumb butt because I didn't know that they sent the motion, which I didn't know they sent the motion, and the lawyer knew that I didn't know they sent the motion. But anyway, it's neither here nor there. Uh, this motion right here, it's great. But she just dismissed their, well, didn't dismiss their motion, but she stated in here that now they have to produce the evidence of what I said that they have uh, against me. So now they got to produce it. I could read the whole documentation if you want me to. I see. Appreciate y'all. I, I thank you. Uh, God's going to be with us, 100%. Oh, I don't know if y'all noticed or not, but I kind of shaved a little bit, cleaned up. I don't want to look like a crazy person going to court. I mean, I like to be who I am, but I got to be one of them. Got to be a respectable person. Uh, Not respectable. I'm saying just I'm not one of them. I'm me. I don't want to play these games they play. But anyway, so no, they have to answer their motion that they said that they did or that I didn't do. So it's great. I mean, glory to God. I mean, y'all don't know how much I'm fighting right now. How y'all doing? Like I said, I appreciate everybody, all the support I have. I mean, uh, it means a lot to me because whenever you try to talk to somebody that don't know the fight that I'm fighting, it's not just for me, it's for everybody. So that's a case in it because I mean, it just blows my mind is that people don't let they let the cops or whomever overrule them, and all you gotta do is look at the laws, look at the penal codes, the statutes, and you'll know the laws. I mean, it's right there, and I mean, it just it just blows my mind is that, you know, we've been fooled, we've been taught to bend on people, and then hopefully, I mean, I feel that I have a pretty great case, but in a constitutional law, breaking oath takers that they did. I mean, it's all in video. I mean, you can't lie. It's right there. But I do appreciate all y'all support. I just I, me and my wife, we've been going through a lot and having to deal with all this. You know, it just blows my mind is that I'm having to do all this. But they I mean, they just thought I was going to just just turn around and just bow down to everybody. I'm not going to do it. You know, it just it just hurts my heart that, you know, nobody would stand up for me. You know, I mean, I had to go through every police officer and every detective and every major and everybody to see that I did no wrong, but yet they did all the wrong and they just played cover up. I mean, it's not right for them to investigate themselves and not be held accountable. I mean, I was held accountable for what I've done in my past, and it just it ain't right, you know. But I just uh I just feel in my heart that, you know, for what I've been through in my life and trials and tribulations that I've been through, and I just learned that, you know, you can't blame nobody but yourself, and but that's a fact that if you try to blame yourself, you know, you who else is there to blame? But yet I don't have that protection. I don't have that immunity. I don't have that qualified immunity to say, okay, well, yeah, I guess I didn't know the law, or I didn't do it right, or, you know, I lied on a statement, or, you know, I mean, everything I'm saying is true and correct. I got a 316-page binder that I'm admitting to evidence, which I already gave it to the lawyers, the other lawyers. So they've been having that, and it just blows my mind is that everybody lied but me and my wife and Mr. Royston. And you know, nobody wanted to be held accountable. You know, false false reporting and theft by deception is real. I mean, that they did that to me and my wife, and I mean, I don't know, they 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 stole the keys from me and my wife, and they kicked us out of the facility. I mean, we just brought a man there who's bleeding out. I mean, what else am I supposed to do? I mean, how are we supposed to get home? But you could tell in the videos, the body camera footage that I have, they didn't care about us, didn't care about our well-being, you know, and you know, me and my wife, we tell the whole story. But yet I was drunk. You know, the cops said I was drunk. The women said I was drunk. I was being belligerent. I wasn't being belligerent. I was in protect mode. My friend was injured, and I was trying to get them to hurry up because there was more concerns about their insurance and about their license and everything than him literally bleeding out on the floor. So you know, I know a lot of people been going through you know, different types of things with police departments and hospitals and the care they have. They don't care no more. They worry about the money, the almighty dollar. You got to get that mindset out of that, because of the fact that, you know, a life is worth more than that dollar. You know, and but it just hurts my heart that I'm having to do all this, and I know y'all see it, but I can't even get my own news people to see it. You know, so and they might have seen it, but they don't want to talk to me. But it's coming. You know, But a lot of these small little clinics, they open up and they think they can do stuff, and they can't. Um, they can't break law. They can't, do what they did. But I'm that person who's going to hold everybody accountable, you know. And I mean, I do appreciate everybody's help and support. Um, my God is strong. Period. But I want to get on here and just let y'all know that the date changed, not the date, but the time, from 10:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. I don't know if y'all. I never been to federal court before, but here we go. Um, the thing is that you have to be I guess, be in a suit and tie in order to be inside this facility. I can't record. I can't bring my phone in there. Kind of hurts me because I want everybody to know what's going on. Because the fact that, if this happened to me, it happened to everybody else. It could happen, or I'm sure it happened to everybody else. They just don't have it on video. Thank y'all. Blessings. But you got to understand is that you have to record your interactions with these police officers, because at any second they can lie and say you said something or they said something. Yeah, and it's not right. And I feel that they need to have body camera phones full time, 24 hours a day, or not 24, but 12 hours a day, whatever their shift is. I think they need to have their body camera on, and people need to hold them accountable, and we need to have a separate investigation type uh, persons within the city, and probably outside the city also, because there corruption there too. Uh, I'm suing the mayor. I'm suing the city manager. Everybody. I'm holding everybody accountable. Everybody that was involved in my ordeal. But anyway, um, yeah, I'm suing 17 people, and I would love to sue more, but I mean, I can only do so much. And I'm probably, it's just, it just, I'm in so much pain right now. Um, I don't know. It's just, anyway, I just want to get on here and tell y'all that, the date was, not the date, but the time was changed from 10:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. That I got a confirmation from an email, from the judge's, secretary. But I appreciate you, everybody. Yeah, it is a tough fight. I mean, it's I don't know. I got 3 lawyers right now. Let's see, one lawyer's over the sheriff's department. They said that I don't have a constitutional. Um, yeah, this is one. Yeah, this is right here. This is Orange County's defendant's motion to dismiss. This is the sheriff's department. Um, but they said that I don't have says an A. As a county defendant, there are 3 primary issues before the court in this motion. Plaintiff has no federal, this is A. Plaintiff has no federal constitutional right to receive a meeting upon demand with the Orange County Sheriff. Okay. I mean, I don't know, y'all know law or anything, but uh, we have a right to hold, I mean, to speak with them. I mean, even though they probably won't do nothing, but we have a right to do that. Um, and then the B is plaintiff's official capacity claims against Sheriff Mooney are duplicate with claims against the county, which I'm holding everybody accountable. And the plaintiff's pleadings are inadequately pled and it's sufficient to overcome the defense of qualified immunity with respect to any individual Orange County defendant. So they're saying that I don't have a constitutional and civil right to demand a meeting with my sheriff and to ask him to investigate other people that broke the law. I don't know. Crazy. But yeah, I mean, I got all kinds of stuff, but uh, I just wanted to get on here and just tell y'all that the thing was changed. But if anybody ever goes to court, they got to be dressed appropriately in a federal court. but they won't allow me to bring my camera. I'm not sure if I'm gonna try to get it to be on. I want to be, what do you call it? I want to be transparent with everybody, and that way people can see that if they just do what I do and how I do it or what have you, it'll help them, you know, get justice. I mean, I just found out they had a, a, a young fella, 23 years old, just got killed by 3 or 4 cops the other day, 2 weeks ago in my county. So they're all cover up. They had an old man. Apparently, he was supposed to be released a month ago or so, and they didn't bring him to the hospital or something other than he died, and the jail. So there was a lot of stuff that's going on in my county that's being covered up, corrupt, or what have you. But I'm gonna do what I can to bring who I got to justice. I mean, I just want the same treatment. I mean, if I broke the cops' arms like they did mine, or fractured the cops' arms like they did mine, then I would be just guilty of what they did. But yet they did this to me, and it's okay. You know, I mean, they rip ligaments off my elbow. It's still that way. So I'm in pain. My rotary cuffs are torn. My back muscles are torn. So I'm dealing with it. But I've been dealing with it for over a year, and I'm tired and I'm hurting. So I appreciate all y'all support. Um, hold everybody accountable. I mean, I'm constitutional law. I mean, that's my work shirt right here. Uh, I've was in business for 14 years as a recovery service, water recovery, and I know the law, and I don't break the law. And it just blows my mind is that these cops, they lied on reports. They broke the law. The doctors lied. The place where they took me to the hospital, they lied. They said this was previous injury. I mean, I didn't break my own arm. I didn't fracture my own arm. I didn't tear my muscles in my back. But yeah, uh, 30 days after they arrested me for resisting arrest, the DA refused to charge me, so I have no charge. So why do I still have injuries? But anyway, like I said, if y'all go on my page, y'all see all everything that I have is true and correct. My past is my past, but the thing is that the cops thought my past was gonna help them in their ability to do what they wanted to do, and it didn't happen that way. But I hold no remorse, no regret. But justice should be coming. I appreciate everybody. I'm gonna get off of here, and I gotta go bring a friend of mine to pay his water bill, so he can pay his water bill. Um, God bless y'all. Y'all be safe, and always record the police department. I mean, any interactions. I mean, it just blows my mind. We can't trust nobody. Um, but y'all be safe. God bless.